Is your Ford Mondeo's alarm going off randomly? Let's quickly troubleshoot. The most frequent culprits are faulty door or hood switches, a weak siren battery, or the need for a system reset. For door hood switches, check for corrosion or damage. These sensors complete a circuit when closed. If faulty, clean with WD-40 or replace them. A depleted siren battery, typically a 9 volts or AA inside the siren unit under the hood or dashboard, can also trigger false alarms. Swap it out. Finally, try resetting the alarm. Insert the key, turn the ignition to accessory mode, and repeatedly press the lock button on your key fob or disconnect the car battery for 10 to 15 minutes. These simple steps can resolve most common alarm problems. For post-2015 Mondeos, use the Ford Pass app for remote diagnostics and resets. OBD2 scanners with apps like Torque can perform advanced resets. For older models, check the Body Control Module, BCM. Replacement costs $200 to $500. The future involves digital integration with GPS tracking and app notifications. AI diagnostics reduce false positives. Many upgrade to Viper or Clifford smart alarms. By 2030, ultrasonic sensors and AI anomaly detection will eliminate false alarms. Regular preventive maintenance, like switch cleaning, prevents most issues.